Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tamia Lea, if you don't already know, and today I have a review for y'all. Basically, my friend, she was telling me about these magnetic lashes, and I was like, I gotta get me some. It sounds like something I used before, but I'm not sure. But I was like, whatever. So I went on Amazon, girl, and ordered me some lashes. So today, this is me in my natural habitat. Girl, doing house mom stuff. But I was like, my little starter lock's cute or whatever, but it's giving very much boy. It's giving very much masculine. So I was like, let me put on some foundation, put on me some little lashes, and then that's it. That's all I'm gonna do, cause I ain't going nowhere. So the lashes that I got, these are called magnetic eyelashes. That's just what it says everywhere. So we're gonna open it up. On the back it has the instructions on how to use them, and let's see here. Ooh, see, I couldn't remember. These are cute, y'all. Look, I don't know if they're supposed to be the same style or not. I don't think so, but they're very much given. Girl, psst, I have to see how much this was. I have to. I'm gonna have to put it somewhere in the video, but it also comes with these two gels. Girl, one, oh, I was gonna say, girl, one of the lashes done fell, but it comes with this. Hopefully this ain't something that's gonna give me cancer when I get old, because I'm like, how does it work? Magnetic, something magnetic close to your eye. I don't know, y'all. But this little strip right here is definitely magnetic, because look, like it just perfectly clips on it. It's like a magnet. But and it also came with this. I always wanted one of these, but girl, I ain't never buy one, so I got one to play with now. But these are the lashes, y'all. I'm about to throw some on. What do I want to give today? Let's see. You know, I think I'm gonna do these down here. They're very nice, natural, and subtle. All right, y'all, so first I'm gonna put on some primer, because girl, you always want to prime your face, like always. But girl, I'm about out, because there we go, because it ain't want to come out. All right, so I'm gonna prime it like that, and then let it sit a little bit. All right, so now I'm just going to put some foundation on my hand. The foundation I use is Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX, and where's my spray? Girl, we not even using a lot of foundation today. Well, anyway, just blend it in. Okay, just blend it in. We just doing a little something, so we won't be walking around here looking like we looking, okay? Cause I like to look cute. Alright, so I'm gonna take some regular mascara and go over my eyelashes, just so it'll blend better. Alright, now I'm gonna get one of the little sticks that come with it, and it's just like this. So you're just gonna kind of, well, I guess I'm just gonna do it like a You know, like you do a regular wing liner. I don't think you gotta wait to put them on. I think you just, yeah. I think you just put them on. All right, so let's go. Alright, so that's one stroke. And I forgot, I'm probably gonna need to cut the lashes. Because my eyes are a little, well, oh well. We ain't gonna cut them this time. So that was one stroke, and this is gonna be the second one. Alright. So now let's put the first lash on. So it'll be this one. Oh, she's gonna be very light. I don't know. I'm gonna go a little darker. I'm gonna get these. So they have, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Hold on, because I don't want this to show. Okay, very, very easy to put on, y'all. Y'all can't even see these. Very easy to put on, y'all. Let's see. Oh, girl, real easy to put on. Y'all, no lie, I like these. Super freaking easy to put on, y'all. The only thing is, y'all, I be super cautious about stuff like this, but I like these. I like these, but look at the lash. They have magnetics, like really small magnets on them. Can y'all see that? No, I don't know if y'all can see that, but they have really, really tiny magnets on them. That's interesting. These are cool though. These are really cool, and it's already given.
This one I feel like it's not gonna need it don't need another swipe through or layer or whatever. It's good. So let's see how this one goes on.
See, this is very much cute. Very cute. Super easy and light, y'all. All right, y'all, these lashes are very much, I love these lashes. Like, y'all, the quickest I've ever put on lashes, ever. So I'm just gonna go in and put on some eyeliner. Well, this is more like eyeshadow, but you get it. So now I'm gonna take this mascara and put it on my lashes. Y'all, I am in love with these lashes. Now I can go clean up and cook looking cute, because that's what I love to do. These are cute, y'all. These are so stinking cute. Can y'all see them? Can y'all see them? And really easy to put on. That's what really, like, that's what's getting me, like, so easy to put on. And I'm gonna use this other mascara too. I'm out of it, and y'all, I have a love and hate relationship with this mascara, y'all. It's the Falsies mascara. I can't remember who it's by, but I'll have to look and see. Y'all, it's a really, really good mascara, but it's so hard to get off. Like, so hard to get off. But it's really good. With, like, defining, like, each little hair. Girl. Hold on. Because she's trying to lift over here. So that's it for today. That's all I'm doing. Cause girl, I got stuff I got to do. Okay. But I just wanted to come on here and do this quick video for y'all. I love these lashes. I know I keep saying them. Let me show y'all the lashes one more time. Closer look. So they're different styles. I'm ordering some more. I'm gonna order some more and different styles. But 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1. I get 7 pairs of lashes, and they're reusable. And you get the glue to come with it, or the gel, whatever that is, to come with it. And you get the little lash applicator. Girl, that's the gel. That's really cute. So anyways, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, to follow my lock journeys, to see more makeup videos, to see more hair reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok at Slay by Tamia. Why did I forget that? But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.